You'll also hear the term SharePoint site settings. This is an additional benefit of SharePoint in that as a location to perform many activities and store many types of information, you can set the parameters for that storage, who can do what, and create permissioning models that allow you to be very confident that your information is both secure but also accessible to the right people. This is where a lot of the more complex activity within SharePoint may happen, creating roles and permissions, etc. And we won't go into that here, but suffice to say SharePoint is a very powerful tool with some very powerful supporting infrastructure behind its front end. A term closely related to these site settings that you may hear is the term Classic SharePoint. SharePoint has evolved from an on-premise service back in 2001 into what you see now, a fully fledged cloud service. Classic refers to the interface that you'll see if you're familiar with some of those more legacy versions of SharePoint. Whereas now the modern view in SharePoint is streamlined to help you achieve what you need to do nice and quickly with a simplified interface, leaving the more complex interactions behind the scenes. The same capabilities and features are there, but they look slightly different. SharePoint is still in transition and you may see these views mixed.